Hello, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggers for toctown.com. And this video blog was brought to you by our patrons from TOC Town Travel. And today is moving out of one studio and into another. So that involves filing system. So I picked up this clear case from Amazon.com. Of course, I'll link the Amazon Smile below for you in case you want to pick up one for yourself. It's going to make me identify a lot of the files I need access to immediately, as opposed to, having the black box. So I'm excited about it. I will be blogging this weekend about the whole move and some of the decisions I decided to make as a result. All right. And next up, I wanted to share with you the planner that I'm going to be using in order to document the whole process from start to finish on how I built, designed, and orchestrated the Artisan Admin Retreat Center. I purchased a planner from Get to Work book, which is by Elise Joy. And I'm sure I featured this planner on the channel before, but I just wanted to highlight the points of why I really like this planner and prefer this as the quote unquote cornerstone for a lot of the other levels that I publish on for Patreon. It's simplistic in nature in the sense that it's just black and white. Not only that, I will be adding color to it, but I'll also add an additional focus of color coding as well as archiving a lot of the interviews, a lot of the perspective of other small business owners that have contributed creative content to the community. So this level is on the base level of $300 for the Patreon level. On this level, I only produce 3 pieces of work per quarter. So let's say you sign up at that level, I will provide you an entire month of information as regards to an executive assistant, artisan admin, and a director, and I'll even throw in my perspective as a producer. So I think it's a good bargain, especially you're not going to find those 4 people in one place in order to give you direction and insight when you want to build your studio life. So pretty much I'm going to be focusing on 2018, 2019, and 2020 in order to establish a lot of the people that I want to work with me in producing a new book and journal. So I invite you to participate and financially contribute. So that's it for this episode. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggers for toctown.com. I'm on the Express. Leave any questions or comments for me that you have in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to answer them. Until we meet face to face, take care.